Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Candy. If you're new here, I want to wish you a warm welcome, and if you're returning, I want to say thank you for your support. Now, I came here today because I wanted to personally wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day in advance. And you know, I get a lot of questions about why don't you show yourself more on camera and stuff. And the truth is, when I'm cooking in the kitchen, I am always looking a hot mess. And I don't want to show you guys, you know, a scarecrow looking person to scare you away. So that's why I do not do that very often. The second reason is I am camera shy. I don't like doing videos because it's something I'm not really good at, and that's really not my thing. And there's some people, they are made for this. They are naturals at it, and that's their thing. I prefer to stick to what I know, and that's the cooking. So with that being said, in today's video, I will be sharing a recipe for creamy garlic mushroom chicken. This will be super delicious, and it's my last Valentine's Day dinner idea. So I hope you guys enjoy that. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I want you to consider doing so. And please don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. Now let's jump right in. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Here I have the chicken already seasoned, and I'll be using some spinach. I have my mushrooms here. I'll be using heavy whipping cream, some chicken broth. I have grape tomatoes, grated garlic, grated parmesan cheese. I'll be using some black pepper, complete seasoning, mushroom seasoning, seasoned salt, and we'll be serving this over some linguine noodles. Let's jump right into the recipe. So let's rewind back to how I seasoned this chicken. First, I washed it up in some lemon juice and pat dry. I'll be using some flaxseed oil. You can use whatever oil you like. And for the seasonings, I have poultry seasoning, chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, and some garlic and onion powder. For the poultry seasoning, there are different kinds, and the kind I used was the Southern Blend by Badia. It's actually seasonings with different herbs, and it has salt in it. You know, usually poultry seasoning has like just herbs, but this one I'm using have salt. I just wanted to let you guys know that. Basically what I did was mix all the seasonings really well, and I massaged the chicken with some oil first, and then I added the seasonings. And we will let this sit and marinate for about, let's say, an hour or two. If you have time and you can let it sit longer, go right ahead. So I like to start by cooking my noodles first, and to a pot of boiling water I will add some seasoned salt. You can add regular salt if you like, and we will just boil our noodles until they're nice and soft, or al dente. However you like your noodles, boil it until that time. I like to cut my noodles in half because I don't like them super long, but if you prefer them long, please go ahead and do what you like. We will boil this, and then once it's boiled, we'll drain it and we will toss it in a little bit of butter, and that's it. Just set it aside until, you know, our chicken is ready. In my favorite pot, I did add a little oil, and now I'll place my chicken in here and I'll cook it for about 3 minutes on each side. We will continue cooking this inside of the sauce to avoid overcooking the chicken breast. After about 3 minutes, we'll flip the chicken and we'll allow it to cook for 3 minutes on the other side. You want to make sure you have your heat on medium because you don't want them to burn. After about 6 minutes, we'll now remove them, and we'll carry on with the same process until we're all done. In the same pot, I did add a little oil to prevent the butter from burning. And I cleaned the pot up a bit because I don't want my sauce to be messy. So I cleaned out, all that dark stuff from the chicken, and we will now allow our butter to melt. Once our butter melts, we'll go in with our mushrooms and we'll cook the mushrooms for about 3 minutes before adding anything else. Next, we'll add our seasonings here and give it a good toss. We'll allow it to go for 2 minutes before we add our aromatics. Next, we'll add our grated garlic and our tomatoes. We'll give that a good toss and allow it to go for about 3 minutes. So at this point, we'll now add our chicken broth, we'll add our heavy cream and our parmesan cheese. We'll give it a good toss and we'll allow it to simmer, on medium to low heat until it thickens a bit. Now, I don't think you need to add any more seasoning here because the seasonings from the mushrooms will carry over into the sauce, and the parmesan cheese is very salty, so be mindful of how you're adding seasonings here. At the end, you can taste it and see if you need anything else, but for now, it's perfect. We'll let this thicken up before adding our chicken. Once the sauce thickens a bit, we'll now add our chicken in here and we will coat the chicken with that sauce. We'll allow that to go for about 2 to 3 minutes so that if the chicken wasn't cooked properly, when we seared it, it will continue cooking here in the sauce. And lastly, we will add our spinach and give it a few seconds, allowing it to wilt a bit. Once it wilts, that's it. This is done. You can turn your heat off and get ready to serve. And here you have it, guys, creamy garlic and mushroom chicken over linguine noodles. This is the perfect Valentine's dinner idea. If you are a pasta lover, a chicken lover, you will definitely love this. It is so affordable and easy to make. I really do hope you guys give this recipe a try, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!